Cooking steaks can be easy, but cooking the perfect steak is something completely different. Today we will be experimenting with different searing techniques and find out what produces the best result. The crust on a good steak says everything about the cook. It is supposed to be crispy and beautiful and attractive, and it's supposed to hold all the flavors of the spices you put on the steak. And it's the main thing that creates that look that screams delicious before you even cut into it. Yes, the crust is really important, and it visually means everything about your creation. It will tell me how passionate you are, how much work you put into it, and how much appreciation and respect you have for the food you cook. And that all happens in the searing. So today we are once again experimenting on how to improve our searing. For that we have 4 steaks and we'll be treating them exactly the same way. We are going to even season them at the same time. The only difference here will be the searing material. And for that we have 4 different fats here that we're going to use to sear our steaks. The first steak will be seared with lard or pork fat. Pork fat might be the oldest natural oil used by men, and it's something that I really love. It brings different flavors into the meat and amplifies those deep flavors into anything you use it for. We will be searing our second steak with beef tallow. Beef tallow is less used than lard, but it is a really amazing fat to integrate into your cooking. Like olive, avocado, and coconut oil, it consists of mostly monounsaturated fat that is healthier and flavorful. The third steak is going to be seared with dog fat. Dog fat has an amazing rich flavor and is well known by some world-famous pastry chefs that use it to make their incredible dishes. It is also very healthy when compared to other oils. And our last steak is going to be our control steak, and it's going to be seared with regular oil. In this case, as I do with many of my steaks, I'll be using refined olive oil, as it produces a very nice and rich flavor that we are very familiar with. As I said before, we're going to be doing everything identical with all these steaks. As you can see, they are very similar to each other, and even though I cannot confirm they come from the same cut, their marbling and colors are almost identical. For the perfect searing a steak, there is a few things you need to do no matter what materials you use. I made a little guide that will hopefully help you the next time you're cooking your perfect steak. And even though I will explain it here, I'm also leaving all this information in the description of the video, so check it out. Number 1. Let the steaks come as close as possible to room temperature. To produce the super tender steak, leave it out at room temperature for about 30 minutes before cooking it. Number 2. Don't be shy with the seasoning. Seasoning your steaks thoroughly with kosher salt and black pepper on each side enhances the natural flavors of the meat. Number 3. Get your pan or grill as hot as possible. Using an extremely hot cast iron pan is the key to achieving an even char. Heat the cast iron pan on high temperature until it is smoking. Number 4. Use a light touch once the steak is cooking. Flipping your steak too often or more than once will prevent the perfect sear from forming. And this is easier than you think. If you try to move the steak and there is some resistance, step back and let it cook for a little longer. Number 5. Baste your steak with oils and aromatics. Basting the steak with oils or fats, as well as herbs like garlic, rosemary, and thyme during the last 2 minutes of cooking will add an unbeatable boost of flavor to the meat. Number 6. Keep an eye on the temperature of your steak. Knowing the internal temperature of your meat is the key for the perfect steak. Use this handy temperature guide as a gauge. Rare steak from 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium rare from 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium from 140 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium well from 150 to 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Well done from 160 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And now the last one, number 7. Let the steak rest before cutting. Once the steak is done cooking, take it out of the pan and set it on a plate or cooling rack and let it be. Let the steak sit for 10 minutes in order to help it retain those juices, which will keep it moist and tender bite after bite. Well, Miss Ninja, let me tell you something.
Tell me something.
We have some crazy experiments going on here today, guys.
It's a lot.
Man, we have a lot of steaks here.
A lot of steak, Georgie.
And all of them look good. Well, Miss Ninja, let me tell you something. This is an experiment. We're trying to find out which is the best crust. But at the same time, I want to know if you feel something on the flavor, okay?
Okay, let's see.
So, you know, it's a combination of things. Let's start with, this is going to be number A.
A.
Number B.
C.
Number C.
And number D.
How do you know that? Let's start with number A, okay? Let me get a little piece for you because I know you don't eat too much.
So, number A.
Number A, guys. It look amazing. Let's go for it.
Not the smell. Oh, this is really good.
Wow.
Really good.
Wow. Really crispy. Really nice.
Tender.
Super tender. But really nice flavor too, guys. Really, really, really nice flavor.
Yes, it is.
And crispy. You know, the outside is crispy. How do you find the outside?
It's okay.
Crispy, huh?
It's crispy, but not like a super crispy crust.
Let's go for number B.
Number B. The crust, it's way better, but the flavor is different.
The flavor changed a lot.
A lot.
It's not bad.
But the crust,
it's good.
it's even like kind of crispy.
The crust is really good. It's really crispy. It's really good steak. But the flavor changed. For number C.
Number C. Crust is good.
Oh.
Flavor is good.
Oh.
Whoa!
Again, really good crust. Different flavor, completely different flavor. Everything is beef, but it has different shades of beef, you know? It's really good.
Love it.
Wow. All right, let's go for number D.
Number
D here.
It's good, but the crust,
This has the best crust.
nuh-uh.
No?
I already make up my mind
Oh.
between flavor and crust.
I will tell you this. Number D and number A flavor are really similar. Number B and number C are both completely different.
The crust,
Now, the crust, what is the best crust for you?
for me, C.
Number C has the best crust for you.
Yes, it does.
All right, for me, number B has the best crust.
But you know what? I mean, you can put them together, and they're
No,
like
you
right there.
no. Don't change my rules here, okay? You cannot put it together.
Okay, so what did you do to make it different?
Okay,
Tell me.
now, flavor-wise, which is the best for you?
C.
Number C.
I like C flavor and C crust.
I love the flavor on number B. It's real good. It's really intense, beefy flavor, but at the same time, it's not overwhelming. The number A is a little bit overwhelming on the beef flavor, but number B is exactly there where it should be. So let me tell you what we did here.
Tell me.
The first one, we made it with lard.
Lard, okay.
The second one was beef tallow.
Okay.
The third one is duck fat.
Oh my God, no wonder. Me personally, I love duck fat.
And number D is the control, which is just regular.
Regular.
Number D is amazing. All of them are good. But for me, the winner in this case would be number B. It has the best crust for me, the best flavor for Miss Ninja, the best crust and the best flavor is on number C, but all of them are amazing, guys.
They're all really good.
So there you have it, guys. If you want to go ahead and do something like that, try beef tallow or try duck fat. Both of them, it's not duck, it's duck. Duck fat. The one that makes quack quack.
So that duck is delicious.
Well, for Miss Ninja, duck is delicious. For me, number B is delicious, brother.
And sisters.
That's the winner for me, guys. If you want to try something like that, you will never go wrong with beef tallow or with duck fat. The other two are amazing too. I don't have any complaint about it, but we're looking for the winner here today. Well, guys, if we made you hungry, please hit us with the like.
Lots and lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to share these videos on the social network that help us a lot. If you have any comment, anything to say, if you tried this thing before, if you never tried it, if you would like to try it, just let us know down there in the comments, man. We love to talk to you guys.
Yes, we do.
That's all for today, but remember that I love you.
We love you. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.
Bring me some tortillas. I'm going to make some tacos.